Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MG Autos, your destination for the latest global automobile news. Today, we have a major update from Kia that could reshape the electric vehicle market in North America. Kia has officially announced that its popular compact electric SUV, the EV3, will soon be produced in Mexico. This is not just another factory expansion. It is a strategic move that could strengthen Kia's global electric vehicle presence while supporting Mexico's growing EV industry. So, let's dive into all the details. Kia has confirmed that production of the EV3 will begin on August 4th at its existing manufacturing plant in Pesquería, located in the Mexican state of Nuevo León. Until now, the EV3 was manufactured only in South Korea. With this announcement, Mexico becomes the second country in the world to build this compact electric SUV. Interestingly, Kia is not constructing a brand new factory. Instead, the company is upgrading its existing production line, making the expansion much more cost-effective, while allowing production to start quickly. According to Kia Mexico President Horacio Chavez, this strategy helps the company respond to changing global demand, trade policies, and tariff challenges, while keeping investment under control. The project is also expected to generate significant employment. Kia plans to create around 500 new jobs during this year, with another 1,500 jobs expected by the year 2030. Local sales and exports. This project is even more significant because Kia will not only manufacture the EV3 in Mexico, but will also sell the locally produced vehicle within the country. A large share of production will remain in Mexico to support the government's efforts to increase electric vehicle adoption, while the remaining vehicles will be exported to other regional markets. This makes Mexico an increasingly important production hub for Kia's electric vehicle strategy. Local content and manufacturing. Mexico's Economy Minister Marcelo Ebrard revealed that the locally produced EV3 will initially have about 27% local content. However, high-value components, especially the battery pack, will still be imported from Asia during the early phase of production. The Mexican government plans to increase domestic manufacturing over time under its industrial development strategy known as Plan Mexico. Increasing local production will help reduce imports, strengthen the domestic supply chain, and attract advanced technologies like battery manufacturing. This investment also comes during an important period for North American trade. Recent discussions have suggested stricter regional manufacturing rules, including proposals that would require a larger share of vehicle value to originate from the United States. Instead of moving production elsewhere, Kia has chosen to expand manufacturing in Mexico, demonstrating confidence in the country's automotive sector despite growing global trade uncertainties. This decision also highlights Mexico's importance as a manufacturing hub for international automobile companies. Charging infrastructure and green energy. Kia is not stopping with vehicle production alone. The company is investing in a complete electric vehicle ecosystem across Mexico. Its plans include expanding public charging stations, offering home charging solutions, providing roadside charging assistance for EV owners, and developing customer support services specifically for electric vehicles. Since charging infrastructure is still developing in many parts of Mexico, these investments are expected to improve the ownership experience for future EV buyers. Kia is also focusing on sustainability. The company will build a solar power facility at its factory with an initial capacity of 2 megawatts, which is planned to increase to 8 megawatts by the year 2030. According to Kia, this solar installation will generate enough electricity each year to supply more than 4,000 Mexican households. In addition, a new wastewater treatment facility will recycle nearly 70% of the industrial water used at the plant, an especially valuable initiative for the drought-affected region of Nuevo León. Reports about Kia's Mexico EV expansion first appeared more than 3 years ago. At that time, many expected the company to produce the larger EV9 in Mexico. However, Kia has now chosen the smaller and highly popular EV3 as the first locally produced electric model. The Pesquería factory originally began operations in May 2016 and currently manufactures gasoline-powered vehicles such as the Forte and Rio. Now the same plant is entering the electric vehicle era. Vehicle specifications. Kia has not yet confirmed which versions of the EV3 will be produced in Mexico. In Europe, the EV3 is available with battery options of approximately 58.3 kilowatt hours and 81.4 kilowatt hours. The electric SUV offers a driving range of up to approximately 600 kilometers under the WLTP testing cycle, features a 150 kilowatt front-wheel drive electric motor, and uses a 400-volt electrical architecture. Whether these same specifications will be available for the Mexican market remains to be officially confirmed. Conclusion: Kia's decision to manufacture the EV3 in Mexico represents much more than an expansion of production. It creates new jobs, strengthens Mexico's position in the global EV industry, supports renewable energy initiatives, improves charging infrastructure, and demonstrates Kia's long-term commitment to electric mobility in North America. As global competition in the EV market continues to grow, this move could become one of Kia's most important manufacturing decisions in the region. What do you think about Kia building the EV3 in Mexico? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MG Autos for the latest global automobile news. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.